Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that someone has left me, a person who has changed the pressure sensor of the common rail to the engine of his car and now he is losing it fuel through the thread of the sensor and asks, to see if it could be due to a factory defect. Let's see. I have changed many sensors and I have never seen that. The only explanation I see is that either it has been without the gasket on the front, you know that it has a washer that sometimes comes loose, and then without that washer, which acts as a gasket, the fuel would come out, or else the washer would have come loose inside and another sensor with a washer would have been put in as well, and then there are two washers inside, that would also make the fuel come out. As you can see, this sensor that I have there in my hand, when I took it out the washer stayed inside. If we don't realize it and put another one, well, as I say, there would be two washers inside and it would lose fuel idle, and if one like this comes to us without the washer and we install it, well, the fuel would also come out through the thread, because that washer is going to give it a seal, okay? Well, here you have this short video. Yes, it has been useful to you. Do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.